session and the institute to the students, and then, sir, we will begin. Does that sound good, sir?
Yeah, it's okay from my side.
Okay. So welcome to all the students, boys and girls. This is the Study in India's digital orientation session with Marwadi University, which, by the way, is one of the largest universities in India with a huge international student community base. They also offer a plethora of amenities and facilities, which I'm sure all of you would definitely enjoy when you join Marwadi University in Rajkot. Very quickly, I won't take too much of your time, students. This session will be conducted in two parts. The first segment, we'll have the institute presenting the various policies, procedures about the institute, what can you expect from the institute in their presentation. And in the second half, the second segment, it will be open to all students for raising their concerns, their doubts with the institute and also with the Study in India team. We have Nikhil and Anshul from the Study in India team here who will answer all the queries with regards to the Study in India team. And we have Dr. Jadeja and Dr. Waghela from Marwadi University who will be presenting to us and who will also reply to all of your queries in the the Q&A section. I'm Divya Vishwanathan and I will be deliberating this discussion. To all the students, all you need to do is raise, if you can see the raise hand icon in the bottom right corner of the participants section, all you need to do is hit that and we shall unmute some of you, but please note that since there are more than 200 participants in this session, please chat with us. Please put in your questions and queries on the chat, and the team here will start replying to those. There will be no interruptions whatsoever during the presentation. I hope you're all clear. Dr. Jadeja, are we good to start the presentation, sir?
Yes, madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much for giving. Okay, so let's start the session. Brief introduction of Marwadi Education Foundation. Before I start introduction of Marwadi Education Foundation, let me just thanks to EDSIL and team members of EDSIL, because they are putting lots of efforts to invite more and more number of students across the globe to India. So thank you entire team members on behalf of Marwadi Education Foundation and on behalf of Marwadi University. Thanks to all team members for putting great efforts to invite more and more number of students across the globe in India. So thanks to all team members. So on behalf of Marwadi Education Foundation, let me just give you my introduction. Myself, Professor R.B. Jadeja. I am working as a Dean, Faculty of Engineering and Science. So I am responsible for entire academics of engineering and science. We have with us Professor Kunal Waghela, who is Head of Department IT, and Professor Nilesh Advani, who is responsible for BCA and MCA courses. Other faculty members are also available here to give answer from Marwadi Education Foundation if you have any questions in your mind. So please feel free to ask any questions if you have in mind. So today, what you are going to learn from this presentation, let me just give you or summarize within 1 to 2 minutes. What is Marwadi Education Foundation, where we are located in India, and how we are connected with different airport, rail connectivity, what is the student strength, what kind of infrastructure we have at Marwadi Education Foundation, what is the student strength, what kind of faculty strength we have, what kind of courses we have, and what we have in terms of campus. But this is not limited to you. If you have any questions in your mind, please feel free to ask. Here our faculty members are available and they will give you answer to their level best. So with this, let's start. So all of you know that we are NEC A+ rated only institute in the state of Gujarat. At presently in the campus, we have 9,000 students across 31 countries. We have 500 faculty members. Out of 500, more than 110 faculty members, they have completed their PhD across the globe from the reputed University of World and from IIT. At Marwadi Education Foundation, we have 32 plus courses are available in engineering, science, commerce, and humanities. So everything is listed on the website. If you are interested in detail, please go through it. But step by step, we'll discuss here in detail. Total campus is available in 50 plus acres land. So this is all about Marwadi Education Foundation in terms of infrastructure, in terms of strength, in terms of faculty, and in terms of courses. And as you know, we have received NEC A+ grade. So before we go in detail, just let me read the mission of Marwadi Education Foundation. So to produce creative, responsible, and informed professional, that is our first mission. To produce individuals who are digital age literates, inventive thinkers, effective communicators, and highly productive. To deliver cost-effective quality education. So if you see the cost of education here at Marwadi Education Foundation, that is less compared to other part of India, because that is in our mission. To offer world-class cross-disciplinary education in strategic sectors of economy through well-devised and synchronized delivery structure and system. To provide a conducive environment that will enable students to experience higher level of learning acquired through constant to the development of character, values, and technical skill. So these all things we have included in our mission, and we have designed our curriculum in such a way that after completing this all the things, you will fulfill all the mission statement. So again, this is a very, very important where we are located. So all of you know that we are in the state of Gujarat, and Gujarat is located in western part of India. It's an coastal belt, you can say that. And if we go more about the Gujarat state, then fastest growing state of India with an average GDP of 14% during the year 17-18. World's third largest producer in denim. India's largest commercial ports are available in the state of Gujarat. World's largest petroleum refinery hub available at Jamnagar, and that is only 80 kilometers from the university. So you can say that lots of industry belt are available nearer to the university as well as in the state of Gujarat. And in terms of global leaders in processed diamond, 72% of world's diamond we are producing in the state of Gujarat. And Gujarat is an industrial belt in India. So this is a very brief introduction of the state of the Gujarat. Again, this is almost all about the Gujarat. Total, we have 76 universities in the state of Gujarat, and out of this, only 10 NEC accredited. So again, we are not going to the detail because already you have majority of the students, they have received the scholarship at Marwadi Education Foundation. And let's talk about Marwadi Education Foundation. If anybody are interested to know anything more, definitely will reply. And this presentation, we are going to share it with you. So anytime you can refer it. So already we have discussed this thing about the growth and industry and all the things about the Gujarat state. Okay, now in the Gujarat state, let me just introduce about the Rajkot city. Rajkot city is well connected with the airport Mumbai and Delhi. It's an only 45 minutes flight from Mumbai and 1 hour flight from New Delhi. So if you are coming to India, first you need to land it either at Mumbai International Airport or maybe at New Delhi International Airport. And then after you can take the flight to Delhi to Rajkot or maybe from Mumbai to Rajkot. It's very well connected with road and railway also. By train also you can come from Mumbai to Rajkot, as well as you can land at Ahmedabad International Airport, and by road or by train also you can come to Rajkot. It's also well connected with New Delhi through railway and through road. And in terms of growth, let me just give you a brief introduction of Rajkot, third fastest growing city of the country and 22nd fastest growing city in the world. We have 280 million US dollar World Bank aid for development of infrastructure. It's already we have discussed well connected with rail, road and air connectivity. It's an industrial hub for automobile industries and a leading center of India in the field of diesel engine and submersible pump. And we have lots of industries of casting and forging industries. They are located near to Rajkot city, and you can say that very close to the university. So this is all about Rajkot city. Of course, as a students, it's lots of places are available, and you can visit this all the places: Jubilant Garden, Connaught Hall, Alfred High School, Kaba Gandhi No Delo, Rashtriya Sala, Watson Museum, Aji Dam, Rotary Midtown Library, Saurashtra Cricket Association Stadium, Ram Krishna Ashram, Library, Racecourse Park, and of course, one of them is Marwadi University. Now let's discuss about Marwadi Education Foundation. So 3 pillars we have inbuilt in our education system, and we are saying that we are providing 360-degree education. It's a 3-tier education system we have implemented. So one is knowledge, second is skill is required, and third is all over development of the students. So again, let me just give you a brief introduction. We have 32 courses at Marwadi Education Foundation, and it may happen that you have enrolled for different courses, and you are also connected through WhatsApp as well as through email. We have created your user ID and password, and our head of department, our principal and responsible dean, they are well connected with you. If you have any particular query regarding the course, you can ask to them. Don't hesitate to ask any questions. If you have any questions in your mind, please feel free to ask. Let me just give you what kind of facility we have in terms of laboratory and research lab. We have 4 acres of sports ground, indoor sports and gym facilities that are available at Marwadi Education Foundation. 101 plus teaching laboratories are available. All laboratories are well connected with audio, video and internet facility, and with sophisticated instruments which we required as per the discipline requirement. We have 12 plus fully equipped research lab that is mainly used for postgraduate courses as well as for research work, but of course it's open for UG courses also. If you are interested, you can utilize it. You can discuss with the concerned faculty members, and it's open up to 24/7. We have more than 40 plus academic and non-academic clubs are available where you can enroll yourself, and as per the need of the industry and as per the need of the world, you can acquire a different skill during this club. That is not a part of routine curriculum, but after your routine academic work, you can enroll for your academic clubs. We are also well connected and collaborated more than 20 plus industry associations and collaborations. So it's an we are trying to give you a professional touch as per the need of the world and as per the need of your discipline, as per the need of the skill requirement of the industry. 8 plus multi-story technological equipped building that you have seen in the video. We have 2,500 hostel students are available, and you can say that it's a small town which is available in the university campus. We have 10 plus canteens, vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods are available. We have 5 plus libraries, and that is open up to night 12 o'clock. So you can utilize all the libraries as per your need. Again, world-class campus, learning space. We have separate placement department where they will take care of your placements. Also, if you needed, advanced laboratories are well connected with the department, industry interaction, technology backbone, diversity in teaching, training and placement cell, recreation facilities, students clubs, soft skill clubs. So everything is available which is required in students community. We have engineering, we have science, we have management, we have fashion design, we have commerce, we have law, we have humanities, and we have certain medical and paramedical courses at Marwari Education Foundation. So again, in terms of technology, if I will speak, we have mechanical engineering, we have civil engineering, we have automobile engineering, we have chemical engineering, we have information and technology, we have computer engineering, we have computer engineering, big data, and in terms of master of technology, across all disciplines are available, so no need to repeat. In terms of faculty of computer applications, we have BCA, BCA honors, MSc cybersecurity, MSc software technology, MSc data science. So this is all about the courses, faculty of science, chemistry, microbiology, physics, mathematics. Similar way, master of science are also available. We have faculty of architecture, we have faculty of management, we have faculty of computer applications, we have faculty of law, BCom LLB, as well as we have BA LLB. So this is all about the courses which we are going to offer at Marwari Education Foundations. Though you have already taken the admissions in different courses, so no doubt about that thing. You have a particular any query related to any courses, please feel free to ask in chat box. Our faculty members, they will help you. All syllabus of all the courses are available on the website, just on Google. If you need to understand or if you need to know what kind of syllabus we have in first semester, what kind of syllabus we have in second semester, or maybe any extended year or semester, everything available online. You can just go through the website of the Marwari University and just type your course. You will get each and everything online. Now we have diploma courses also. We have PhD programs also. We have faculty of engineering already we have discussed, and I think no need to discuss in detail about the courses because already you have given your choice and accordingly admission is allotted to the students in different courses. Okay, this is most important as an international students that we want to highlight in front of you. So total we have 900 plus international students. They are from 31st country. And majority, if I will speak, they are from Syria. So total we have 134 students at currently they are studying at Marwari University. Tanzania we have 75 students from Ethiopia. We have 54 students from Nepal. We have 45 students from Uganda. We have 22 from Zambia. We have 19 students from Rwanda. We have 15 students from Bangladesh. We have 12 students from Afghanistan. We have 9 students from Bhutan. We have 9 from Kenya. We have 9. And horizontal right-hand side graph or table, we have mentioned that this all the students, they are enrolled in different courses. Majority students are in engineering, then second is in science, third is in physiotherapy, fourth is in pharmacy courses, and other students, they are in BBA. So this is all about majority courses. So it's not limited to this only, but as per your choice filling, you have allotted admissions in different courses. But if you want to reach to the different international students, you can just go through the website and you can write email to your concerned head of department or to the faculty members. They will reply and they will connect to you, of those who are studying here, and they will connect you from your country also. So you can take the benefit of senior students here, those who are already working. Okay, this already we have discussed what kind of collaboration we have. And let me just highlight you, we have 22 plus MOU with international universities. So if you want to explore this opportunity here at Marwari Education Foundation, then you can just write to us after 1 year or maybe after 2 years. If you want to spend your 6 months or 1 year at least in any partner university, definitely will provide you a platform where you can stay for 6 months. You can earn the credit, and that credit we are going to transfer you in your mark sheet. So that we will discuss when we will start our curriculum, and step by step we will explain to you how you can benefit it with the different schemes of Government of India as well as the other partner university where we have MOU. We have physiotherapy fully equipped OPD center. We have 24/7 on-campus bank and ATM facility here at Marwari University. 24/7 ambulance facility and medical facilities are available at the university. Of course, for recreations, we have seminar halls and open air theater that is available at Marwari University. Left-hand side, we have captured the logo of different international organizations that is required for the professional development. We are well connected with IEEE. If you don't know, we will explain you in detail. We are well connected with IET. We are well connected with American Society for Mechanical Engineering. We are approved of Law of Bar Council of India. We have received approval of Pharmacy Council of India. We have received approval of AICTE, and we have active chapter of CSI, ISTE, IEEE, and American Society for Civil Engineering. Here also we have collaborated with IUC, and our all courses are approved by UGC. We are also well connected with Association of Commonwealth University. So whatever schemes of Association of Commonwealth University, you will be benefited of this, all the schemes which is available across all the countries. So this is all about the facility at Marwari Education Foundation or at Marwari University. Of course, it's award. We have received lots of award. Right now, we are not going to discuss because of time constraint, because we want to give maximum opportunity to our students if they have questions in their mind. In terms of professional growth, we have different technical clubs which is active at across Marwari Education Foundation. And if you are interested in any club, you can be a part of this club. We have Oracle, we have IBM, we have Cisco, we have Wipro, we have CAD Center, Yantra of IIT Mumbai, EMC Square. We have collaboration with Geo. And of course, it's not limited, but mainly we have included here for your reference if you are interested. Of course, and our all faculty members, they are representing 24 states of India. So we have hired our faculty members from Jammu Kashmir to Kerala and from Gujarat to Gangtok. So you will get your diverse culture of faculty members. They are ready to help 24/7. Anytime you can connect with them through mobile facility, through WhatsApp or through email. Definitely they will give the answer of your questions or if you have any query. So certain pictures we have included here: bus facility, library facility, campus facility. This is our central library and it's fully furnished with high infrastructure and each and everything through online. So this is the picture of our library and you can just see how students are reading and how they are utilizing the infrastructure and other facility of the library. So different laboratories maybe that will be useful to you during your academic work from first year to final year. This is sports facility available at Marwari Education Foundation. We have all kind of sports facility available at Marwari Education Foundation, and sports teachers are available 24/7. They will help you. This is hostel life at Marwari Education Foundation. We have separate girls hostel, we have gym facility, boys hostel. So all the three pictures we have included. So you can just take a glimpse of hostel life at Marwari Education Foundation. We have music club, we have music teacher also. So if you are interested, you can take the benefit of this. And you can see that many international students, they are taking the benefit of this all facility at Marwari Education Foundation. Every year we have one cultural program and it's an entire 1 week festival. So these are the different pictures of that festival. It's an youth event at campus where we invite singer and cultural activity. So if you are from your country, you can represent here on behalf of your country. Again, it's a picture of classroom. It's a very modern classroom on right hand side, and left hand side you can see the picture of the computer facility or computer lab at Marwari Education Foundation. This is a placement facility which will provide to our national and international students. Of course, this amount is written in Indian rupees, and you can see that we have different range of 5.5 lakhs to 10 lakhs Indian rupees per annum. So almost more than 500 companies, they have every year visiting Marwari Education Foundation, and they are providing different job facility to your discipline. And for that, we are providing different training also during your routine academic. These are the different companies who will come for the recruitment at Marwari Education Foundation. So this is all about Marwari Education Foundation and Marwari University. So with this, I open this forum with all the students. If you have any questions, please ask. And let me just announce certain information about Marwari Education Foundation. Though you are all well connected with our discipline or with our branch. Suppose, let me just give you a brief introduction of engineering. If you have taken admission in engineering, then we have connect yourself with the concerned branch, head of department, and responsible faculty members who will teach you during your first year of academics. And they are directly in connect with you. So already you are well connected through WhatsApp, through email. If you want to know anything details about your academics, you can just write your concern and query. Okay, one common questions everybody they have in their mind. Ansulji, are you available online?
Yes, sir. We are here only.
Yeah, okay. Just if you permit and if Edsil will permit, then we want to start our normal classes. I'm not saying that we are going to start our full swing classes, but at least 1 hour we want to engage our all international students from 1st October onwards, if you permit.
Sir, I'll get back to you on this, sir.
Okay, okay. So no problem. So
Yeah, no problem.
if we will get a permission from Edsil, then definitely we are ready to start our online classes. Though Edsil, they have already declared that first semester is online, and as early as we are going to start your online classes. Before we start our online classes, we will send you a message through WhatsApp as well as through email. So don't worry about that part. And our faculty members will help you. So no chance that you will miss any class or any laboratories during our online academics. So this is all about academics. Regarding fees, those who have received a full scholarship through Edsil, no need to pay any amount right now. And as Government of India and Edsil will permit to fly from your country to here, we will send and we will book your air ticket. Those who have received full scholarship, we will book your ticket and we will share it through email with you, and you can just take the printout of that ticket and you can fly from your country to Marwadi Education Foundation. So we will take care of that thing also. Second thing, those who have received G1, G2, G3 scholarship through Edsil, after scholarship, our amount is $2,500 per annum, including all fees, including academic, including hostel, everything is included in this. And let me just bifurcate this. During this academic year, first semester is online. So if we count entire year, then total fees is $2,500. Out of $2,500, one semester is fully online. So no need to come here if you have received G1, G2 and other scholarships. And only you need to pay $1,250 out of this, because first semester you are not going to utilize the hostel facility and food facility at Marwadi Education Foundation. So again, out of $2,500, when you come here at that time, you need to pay $1,250. And just right now, you need to pay $500 to confirm your admission. Rest of amount when you come to Marwadi Education Foundation after completing of your first semester, when you come in the second semester here, at that time you need to pay the remaining amount. So this is all about the payment and fees. So if anybody have any questions regarding this, in detail, you can write to us, and Professor Kunal Waghela and Professor Neela Sadwani, they will reply to you. Other than this, related to examination and all the things, let me just give you a brief introduction of examination pattern. For international students, for entire 1 year, we have separate classes and we have separate examination pattern, because at least you required 1 year to synchronize with our Indian students. So first year and first semester is online. So we are going to conduct mid test after 1.5 months. Suppose if your academic term that will be started from 1st November, hypothetically I am saying, if it will be started from 1st November, then after 45 days or after 1.5 months, we are going to conduct you first mid test, that is fully online, and objective questions we are going to ask. And it's compulsory for all branches of students to appear for this test. Again, we will conduct one more mid test. So mid test 2. again, that is after 1 month and 2 months after the academic term of the first semester. And again, one more chance we will give to score you if you want, but it's not compulsory. But 2 mid-test, that is mandatory for all national and international students. And at last, we'll conduct a final examination. And during this examination, whatever you have performed, accordingly, you will get your grade that will be reflected in your mark sheet. And mark sheet and each and everything you can see online. Already we have provided user ID and password to you. So 100% software we are using. Everything we are doing through online only. No need to come here for any work as a manual candidate. So this is all about Marwari Education Foundation and general guidelines that I would like to share it with you. With this all, I welcome you all in India and at Marwari Education Foundation. So now if you have any questions regarding your course, regarding your faculty, regarding your laboratories, regarding your academic work, please feel free to ask. Ansulji, this is all about Marwari Education Foundation. Please let me know if I forget anything or if you have anything in your mind.
Sir, fine.
I think we have tried to cover each and everything within 15 to 20 minutes. And then our head of department and faculty members, they will take care of individual candidates because we have different courses and their requirement and academics are slightly different. So they will guide them separately if they required. Though already 1 or 2 sessions we have already conducted for BBA, for MBA, for law. So they connected with the faculty members and though they know each and everything what we are doing. So I don't think they have any doubt about that thing. But still, if they have anything in your mind, they are free to ask any questions.
Yes, sir. The students, whosoever is present in this session, they can ask their question here. They can type their questions in the chat section, and the concerned faculty, they can accordingly take one question at a time and then can reply. They can reply verbally as well, so that all these students who are part of this this orientation, they can get the answers.
Okay, Ansulji, I am getting one questions from students community. They are asking about the pandemic situation in this region. Let me tell you. Gujarat is a very safe state and we have comparatively less number of cases in the state of Gujarat. And Rajkot, if I will speak, then we have very few cases. And right now I'm sitting in the campus only. All faculty members are working and our research students and our PG students, they are in the campus. 800 students are in the campus and they are staying still closed down. They are here in the campus still March 2020. So sorry about the safety and all the things, and we'll provide all kind of safety facility to you, and we'll take all the things.
Yes.
Yeah. Any more questions? I think Kunal sir, are you giving answer, right? Yeah. Registration fees is included. Yes, $1,500. We are not going to charge any fees from international students. No, only $2,500 per annum. Yes, we have vacation time for every discipline. We have vacation for pharmacy, for engineering, and for every branch. So if you want to go home, you can go during this time, during vacation time.
Hello, sir. Can I speak for 2 minutes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are free.
Yes, I am getting some repeated questions from the students. So here there are 2 categories of students. The student who got SII fully funded scholarship and the students who got tuition fee waiver. So the student who got SII full funded scholarship, they need not to pay anything. Everything will be taken care by HCL and Marwari University. So the student need not to pay anything. The student who got tuition fee waiver, either it is G1, G2, G3 or G4, they need to pay 2,500 US dollars per annum. And as sir rightly said, your first semester will be online. So for first year, you need to pay to $1,250. And from second year onwards, you need to pay 2,500 US dollars. Now it includes your food, accommodation, hostel, tuition fee, your exam fee, registration fee, everything. There is not separate registration fee which is there, which is taken by the university. 2,500 USD includes everything. Now to get enrolled in the first semester, right now you need to pay 500 USD to the university account. Once you will pay 500 USD, we will enroll you and we will send you your confirm admission letter. And then you can start your classes, and rest of the amount, which is 750 USD, you can pay before starting of the second semester. So right now you need to pay just 500 USD to get enrolled in the university. Rest $750 you can pay means before starting of the second semester. So this is the common questions that we are getting from the students. So this is just a clarification and confirmation on that part. Apart from these fees issues, if student is having any question, then please you can ask us. Account number, see, we have uploaded each and every, the student who have got SII scholarship, we have already uploaded their admission letters to the Study in India portal. And the student who have received fee waiver scheme, we have already uploaded their provisional offer letters to their respective logins. So each and every details are mentioned in your offer letter. So I'm requesting students to please open your Study in India portal, download your offer letter and read it once. So you will get each and every details, how much you need to pay, which account you need to pay. Apart from that, we are having our admission offices in each and every countries. So if you are finding any difficulties, you can write to us, you can email to us. I will be directing you to our admission offices, and there you can pay your fees. So I will guide you according to that. If you are facing any difficulty, if you are not able to deposit the fees in university account, so you can go to our respective admission office and then you can pay the fees. Regarding starting of the courses, as sir have rightly said, we are waiting for the confirmation from HCL and Study in India. Once we'll start your sessions accordingly.
Sir, we will confirm the dates, but it's up to the institute when they do want to start the session. Few of our institutes, they have already started the session for PG students.
Okay.
So I think accordingly, you can also plan and can start your session for the PG students, sir.
Okay. So as sir has rightly said, for PG student, we'll start the sessions immediately. And see, we are having students who are enrolled in different courses and departments. So we are having your contact details, your email IDs and your WhatsApp numbers. So respective department coordinators will get it back to you regarding the further schedules. Still, if you are having any doubts, I will type my email ID and WhatsApp number over here. You can get back to me on my WhatsApp, or you can write an email to me. I will guide you accordingly in case you are struggling in anything. No, right now you cannot change your field of study. Whatever has been allocated by Study in India, because it is based on the choice which you have filled. So change of the field is not possible. So I'm typing my email. Students are asking my email. So I'm typing my email in the chat box. So accordingly, you can. So I'm typing my email.
Sir, few students are asking like, are there any hospitals nearby? What are the account number where they do have to deposit their fees?
Okay.
And
Okay.
do these full scholarship student have to pay for registration fee? So
Okay.
in this way, you
Okay.
can answer.
So full scholarship student, as I have already mentioned, full scholarship student need not to pay any registration fee, nothing. They need not to pay a single dollar to anywhere. They just need to come here and start the studies. And the full scholarship student just need to take care their daily needs and personal expenses. There will not be any stipend which will be paid to them. They just need to take care about their personal expenses. Second, institute is having online on-campus medical doctor, which is who is visiting institute means daily, and we do have our own ambulance also, and there are very good nearby hospitals which are available in case of medical emergencies or anything. Ambulance is 24/7 is available on the campus, so student can be taken to nearby hospitals for the any medical treatment. So no need to worry regarding that. Regarding account number, as I already told you that we have uploaded offer letters to your login, and we have mentioned the university account number in which you can deposit 500 rupees of fees. And once you deposit, you need to email me the deposit copy that you have deposited. Once I'll confirm with my account that we have received the 500 USD in our university account, I will email you your admission letter, and then you can start and you can join our online classes. Rest of the amount you can pay in the second semester.
Sir, also please clarify regarding the health insurance thing. Students are asking like who's eligible for health insurance, whether full scholarship students or fee waiver students, and how much they have to pay for health insurance. Is it included in the fees?
Okay, health insurance is not included in the fees, but we are having tie-ups with nearby banks. So student need to pay nominal amount of fee ranging from 100 USD to through 300 USD, and we will support you in buying medical insurance, because few students they do not want to spend monies on the medical insurance. So we have not made it compulsory for all, but yes, whoever wants the medical insurance, we will support in terms of connecting with the institute which provides a very good medical insurance facility.
Regarding the visa thing, as of now, the first semester is online, and we are in also contact with all the embassies abroad. So visa will not be a problem once we get the approval from our government that the visa can be issued for the international students. We'll contact your respective embassies, Indian embassies in your countries, and they will issue the visa under your name and the institute, which is Marwadi Education Foundation. About the FRO registration, once you land up in India, once you take the admission here, institute will help you in getting your FRO registered at their respective places. There will be no money given to you by the university. There will be no pocket money. You have to arrange for your personal expenses on your own. Institute will help you in opening your bank account here in India, and then accordingly your family from your countries, they can deposit the money in your bank account. The students who have got fee waivers, they are eligible to get the SIS scholarship as well, but we have to wait till second counseling. Not all the students will be upgraded to SIS scholarship. If we are left with the scholarships and the student is in merit, only those students will be upgraded to scholarship.
એટલે પાછું મને છે ને તમારો વિડીયો પ્લે થાય ને એનો અવાજ સંભળાય છે.
Anshulji, anything from our side?
No, sir, nothing like, but if you want to take the questions from the students that they are typing a lot of questions in the chat section, you can take them one by one and can answer. If you find it repetitive, then you can ignore, because I think most of the questions have already been answered by the institute and from
Okay.
our side as well. But if you find some other question, like if you want to answer, you can answer them.
Okay, one student is asking regarding hostel and food. As we have said in our presentation, we have 1,000 international students here, and we have good infrastructure in terms of hostel and other facility, and we have vegetarian and non-vegetarian food available at Marwadi Education Foundation. So don't worry about the food and hostel facility. Okay, one student, Anshulji, he is asking for electrical engineering. He has applied and he wants to, we have offered him in mechanical engineering. Let me check and I will back to you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you want to do any experiment, our all laboratories are open and you will get all instruments in our laboratory. So you can do the experiment as per the need of your branch. Minimum CGPA required to pass is 40%, we called it, and out of 100, you need to secure minimum 40. Yes, Master of Technology thesis is included, and we will give you 1 year time to complete your thesis. So 1 year is academic, and second year you need to complete your thesis. Viva, of course, Viva will be there after the completion of your thesis. Less chances are available for courses of change of courses. Medical insurance, regarding medical insurance facility, already Professor Kunal Waghela explained to you. We have collaboration with insurance company and we will provide help to take insurance. Right now, it's not feasible to provide outside hostel. You need to stay in the hostel facility in the campus only because of safety and other things, because it's our responsibility to take care of all international students. So we'll not give you permission to stay outside. Yes, it's possible to learn other languages if you are interested. Yes, you can learn different languages. Yeah, see, regarding artificial intelligence, all facilities are available online. So you just Google search Marwadi University and regarding syllabus and all the things, you will get all information. Regarding the curriculum, regarding the faculty, we will tell you the starting date of all courses. So one student is asking regarding pharmacy and BSc. So yet the courses are not started. If courses are started, we will inform you well in advance. We have lots of students from Zimbabwe, don't worry. Can you repeat your question, please? One student is asking. Yes, we have football club and we have football ground also. And we have international team for football. Okay, weather condition in Gujarat, let me tell you, out of 12 months, we have winter, we have summer, and we have monsoon. So at presently here in Gujarat, the monsoon is ongoing and it's all about the end of the monsoon. Because last month we have heavy rainfall here in the state of Gujarat, and probably now 10-15 days are available for monsoon. Then after winter will start and winter will continue up to the April. So up to March, you can say. Then from March to June, July, we have summer, and In winter, we have temperature up to 5 degree, and average temperature is 15. Here in the winter, summer is hot here, and from March to June, temperature is in between 30 to 40 degree.
So there is a query from Shakil
Vacation
Sarkar.
will be informed to you when the academic term will be started. We will provide you academic calendar. Don't worry right now. We will share all details with you. See, scholarship and everything that will be decided by EDSIL as per your merit rank and merit marks. So we do not have any right to interfere in this. So if your merit is good, of course, you will get full scholarship. If your merit is not up to the mark, then you will get different scholarships as right now provided to you. Ansulji, anything else? Because
Sir, yes, sir. There is a question from the Shakil Sarkar. He's saying that he got admitted in pharmacy. So does he need to pay 85,000 for first year, or does he need to pay 1,15,000 with the registration fees?
no, I'm not getting his point.
Sir, I got the question. He is our self-funded student from Bangladesh. So Shakil will talk. You email. You do have my number already. So you message me on my WhatsApp. We'll discuss it offline.
Sir, I think most of the questions are already been answered by you and by Study in India team. So now what we request students that they can contact Marwari Institute and their POCs through email and their contact number. College has already been mailing you with all the informations and their offer letters as well. From our side, we will be sharing the recorded video of this whole orientation with all the students who have registered for Marwari University. They will get the video and they can go through it. And I think, sir, this is fine. Like, this is enough from our side. We can conclude this session now, sir.
I am okay from my side. So thank you very much for attending this seminar, and thanks to EDSIL and all team members for their efforts for arranging this webinar. So thank you, EDSIL team members. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Opportunity.
Thank you so much, all the students, and once again, congratulations for getting admission in Marwari University. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.